Hello, Mr. Carrier's Algebra 1A students, taking a look at your homework, page 10, 31 through 51 odd, and then 53, 55, 57, and 61. I'm going to do every other problem just to help you out and get you started. Even if you just do these problems, at least turn something in so you're getting some sort of credit. And if you need more help, you can let me know and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. But turn in something, turn in at least these so that you can at least get some sort of credit. So let's get started with number 31. We have 14 to the third power, so 14 to the third power would just be 14 times 14 times 14, which is you just work that out on your calculator, 2,744. Now number 35, I'm just going to look at my paper because it's the same, I wrote down the problem. So we have 10 plus 8 to the third power divided by 16. I'm going to do the 8 to the third power first because remember, PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and I'm going to put these together because once you get to multiplication or division could come first, whatever order these are in from left to right. Multiplication and division, addition and subtraction would be last, just working from left to right. We have to take care of our parentheses and exponents. There's no parentheses here. There is an exponent, and that's why I did the 8 to the third power, which is 512. Then I do division. Division comes before addition, so 512 divided by 16 gave me 32. Now I take the 10 plus the 32 and I have 42. For number 39, I have in parentheses 16 divided by 2 plus 6. So even inside the parentheses, I have to do orders of operation, and division comes before addition. So I'm going to take 16 divided by 2 gives me 8, and then 8 plus 6 gives me the 14. Finally, I can do the 4 times that. 4 times 14 is 56. Remember, whenever a number is just next to something in parentheses, that means multiply. Jumping on down to number 43, hopefully you're pausing this as I move forward. I have 4 to the third power, which is going to be 64. 64 divided by 8 gives you 8. 47 looks big and ugly, but it ain't that bad. I did one step at a time. That's why it looks like so much. So I have parentheses inside of brackets. So remember, parentheses means any type of bracketing system. So I'm going to work on the innermost parentheses, and that's going to be that 3 times 5 is going to come first, and everything else I just bring down because I haven't worked with it yet. I then do inside these parentheses 16 minus 15 is 1. Then I'm going to start working on this fraction inside this bracket, and I have 12 plus 3 is 15. I'll bring everything else down. 15 divided by 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then I can finally finish this bracket off because it just says 1 plus 3, which is 4. I brought that 25 plus all the way down because I could finally do it. 25 plus what? 4. And so it's 29. Okay, jumping up to number 51. 51, what you're going to do is the formula for a trapezoid. And it's going to be half the top and the bottom multiplied by the height, which is 24. So you're looking for the 2 side panels. So 2 side panels, you're going to multiply that by 2. In other words, this is all multiplied together, and I changed a half to 0.5. It's just easier on the calculator. So it just becomes 2 times, I could even write it like this, 2 times 0.5 times 80 times 24. So you just work left to right, just multiply it all out. So here's the formula for part A. Here's the answer for part B. 1,920 inches squared is what you're going to need for those 2 side panels. Okay. Hopefully that is good, and if you need more help, please let me know.